Hi everyone. I'm going to do a couple of blooms just with Piggies, or just with mostly Piggies and a Pearlx. I did one earlier. It was all this little Piggy pigments, purples and some interference ones. And I'm going to post the video. It really came out nice. It was purples. Well, it was a purple bloom. And I accidentally dropped something on it when it was wet, so I don't have a dried result for that one, but I'm going to do another one with similar colors. So this is a Pinot, this little Piggy Nightfall. It's a really pretty color. And then I'm going to use a Pinot Gris. These interference ones, they seem to show up better on a darker color. Now I have a blue. This is a Sky Blue by Pearlx. It seems a bit thick. I just add a few drops of water if it feels a little thick. I got Twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. It's interference. They seem to thicken up a little bit when they sit. I think the pigments don't seem to last as long. They got to be really airtight. And the more that's in the container, the better. I had one dry right up on me, but it only had a tiny bit in the bottom. All right. Now, I was going to use some pearl white. I'm debating. I'll put a little bit. this goes. Now I should decide. Here's my mini blower. Whoa. The blue and the purple. Oh, wow. That is really pretty together. I'll let the middle come back. I don't have any more bigger tiles. I'm gonna have to go back to my Goodwill store and see if I can get some more. They're open now. They're open now. That's so pretty. Oh, I had a lot of paint on there, I think. Maybe a little too much for the small tile. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. I wish I could keep that. Okay, I'm gonna hold this up for you. There you go. And that was all Piggies, except for the white and the cell activator. Thanks for watching and have a good day, everyone. Come back to my art room and please subscribe. Comment below, let me know what you think. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried little tile. It's 90, maybe 95% dries and maybe the wet. A little bit wet in the middle, but I just wanted to show you the shine in the colors. I think that's the Pinot Gris in there, the purple and the, it's beautiful, those pigments. They look different in different ways you move it. It's awesome. It's drying really nice. Thanks for watching.